Good morning everyone. Myself Rahul Singh, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Judicial Sciences, Rama University, Kanpur. Today topic is Indian Contract Act. Today we will discuss what is contract and what is essential element of contract. Now the term is contract. Contract. Contract defined under section 2H, which means an agreement enforceable by law. An agreement enforceable by law. Here, two words come from definition of contract. First is agreement. What is agreement? Agreement is defined under section 2E of Indian Contract Act. Section 2E says that every promise or set of promise forming consideration. Here two words come. First is promise, second is consideration. It is main element of contract. Promise is defined under section 2B of Indian Contract Act. 2B, which means when proposal accept, then promise come. It means proposal plus acceptance. Proposal is defined under section 2A of Indian Contract Act. Now come to the consideration. Consideration is defined under section 2D, which means suppose that person A desire to sell his pen to B at 10 rupees. A and B. Here A is promiser, B is promisee. It is defined under section 2C of Indian Contract Act. Section 2C of Indian Contract Act. A desire to sell his pen to B at 10 rupees. Now pen and 10 rupees consideration for A and B. Now dictionary meaning is consideration, agreement plus promise is called consideration. Now understand to the contract. Agreement enforceable by law. Agreement is defined under section 2E, which means every promise or set of promise forming consideration. Now two words, first is promise and second is consideration. Promise is defined under section 2B, which means proposal plus acceptance. Proposal is defined under section 2A of Indian Contract Act. Consideration. Now I discuss the agreement. Second is enforceable by law, which means which type of contract enforceable by law. Number one, it is defined under section 10. Number one is consent. Number two is free consent. Number three, competent parties. Number four is lawful object and consideration. Four type. Number one is consent, second is free consent, third is competent parties, and fourth lawful object and lawful consideration. Now consent, it is defined under section 213 of Indian Contract Act, which means same thing in the same sense. Second is free consent. Free consent is defined under section 14 of Indian Contract Act, which means free consent, number one, coercion, two, undue influence, number three, fraud, number four, misrepresent. It is defined under section 15 of Indian Contract Act, which means any act forbidden by Indian Penal Code. Number undue influence. It is defined under section 16, which means unfair influence. Number 17, it is defined fraud. Fraud means anything which is concealment of fact. Misrepresent, it is defined under section 18 of Indian Contract Act. Second term is enforceable by law. Enforceable by, it is defined under section 10 of Indian Contract Act. Indian Contract Act says that every agreement to make a contract which is consent, second is free consent, third is competent to parties, and fourth is lawful object and lawful consideration. Now, what is consent? Consent, it is defined under section 13 of Indian Contract Act. Indian Contract Act 13, section 13 says that same thing in the same sense. Now, point number two is free consent. Free consent, it is defined under section 14 of Indian Contract Act. Section 14 say that number one, coercion, which means prohibited by IPC. It is defined under section 15. Second point is undue influence, which means unfair influence. Number 3, fraud. Fraud is defined under section 17, which means any fact or things concealment by person. Number 4 is misrepresentation, which means misrepresent. It is defined under section 18. Now, third is competent parties. Competent parties, it is defined under section 11 of Indian Contract Act, which means who may competent to make a contract. Number first, who is major? Second, not disqualified by law. And third is sound mind. sound mind is defined under section 12 of Indian Contract Act. Now, fourth point is lawful object and lawful consideration. Lawful object, it is defined under section 23 of Indian Contract Act. Indian Contract Act section 30 say that number 1, any act which is prohibited by law. Number 2, if allow any person's body or property injured. Number 3, in the eye of law, immoral act. Today we learn Indian Contract Act 1872. It is the introduction only. Thank you.